everyone, welcome back to Sari Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Smoke and Mirrors from the 15th to the 19th of September 2025 on a Monday. Thandiswa locked Jason and Ngcuka in the basement after finding them mid-initiation, then set the house on fire with Zwelethwa. Ngcuka disappears, leaving Jason to burn on Tuesday. Shocked to discover that Jason is still alive, the Dlaminis are devastated by the news of his house burning down, fearing the worst for Mata on Wednesday. Thandiswa and Zwelethwa are rattled by the news that Jason survived the fire. Philile and Petunia tried to quit the loan business, but Mabizela forces them to work for him on Thursday. Jason and Mother plot against their enemies, unaware of the counterplot. Mandla is clueless about his wife's secret dealings. Philile saves Petunia but ends up in deeper trouble on Friday. Zwelethwa convinces Thandiswa to stay calm and promises to deal with Jason. Mandla digs in Philile's back and is shocked by what he finds. Mamiki learns that it's not inyongo that she has. The tests are positive. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.